As you probably know, it's been a particularly harsh flu season with nearly 12,000 flu-related hospitalizations since October. Back in studio with us this morning to remind us how important good form is and to help us with our cough spot is creator Denise Seeley along with Stephanie Bodette from the Special Olympics Young Athletes Program. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in. This is more important than ever, right?
Yes, definitely this flu season. It's been a rough one.
Because it has been so bad with so many people. I mean, even deaths reported. And people are like thinking, all right, I know how to sneeze, I may know how to cough, but do they really?
Well, it's a taught skill, so the kids have to learn the skill, and it's an acquired skill. And so one of the things that we've done is we've created a program to work with the schools and with other organizations to remind people to cover their cough.
Okay, remind us again what Cough Spot is.
Cough Spot is, we use a temporary tattoo that you place on the inside of your arm.
It's actually kind of cool looking.
It's very cute.
Yeah.
And then it reminds that it's a visual target for the kids to cough in their elbow, or for people, you know, anyone who wants to use it.
Because folks don't realize how far, if you cough, if you sneeze, how far that travels and affects everybody around you.
That's right.
You've also teamed up with the Special Olympics, so tell us about that.
Yes, we're very excited about this partnership. I've been at Special Olympics for about a year, and I'm in charge of the Young Athletes Program, which caters to children aged 2 to 7. It's a gross motor physical activity program, but my position at Special Olympics also encompasses health. And we're becoming increasingly health conscious. So a program like Cough Spot, that is a program that any student or any child can use. It's been a great partnership.
Also, it's important, I would imagine, too, when a lot of folks are together, like even Special Olympics, when there's a big event, that people really have to practice coughing, sneezing, because you don't want that to spread. And make sure washing your hands is also so important as well.
Always a good suggestion, for sure.
Now, you've taken this program to schools all over the state, right?
That's right. We're in 30 schools in Rhode Island, and thanks to the National Network of Libraries of Medicine, they've expanded the program. So we've digitized it, so now it's accessible through all of New England, and then also we're going to be able to go national working with Special Olympics and reaching all of their schools.
That's really great. Tell us how people can really protect themselves. Obviously, we're so worried about the flu. It's been on news stories one every single day, and more than we ever wanted to hear. And there are ways you can help yourself.
Well, for sure. The first thing you can do is if you have the flu, stay home. Try not to go around other people and spread the disease that way. And then also, if you have a cough, then to make sure you cough into your elbow or into a tissue and throw the tissue away right away. Right. And wash your hands.
Wash your hands is really key. How are some of the young athletes at Special Olympics responding to this?
Oh, they love the program. It's gone over really well. We've distributed it to schools. And the teachers love the program, the students love the program. So it's been going over really, really well. And now that the program is available online, it's all digitized, it's much easier to distribute to teachers.
To teachers as well.
It's great.
Great. Well, thank you, ladies, for coming in. It's really important information and sharing all of this info. And show your friends and family how to use the Cough Spot. We're going to do that just ahead on the road. You can go to roadshow.com for more information.